man, you go. Stop. What is it? Hold on. Go. Go.
Sure.
Stop. Who are you and where are you going?
Liu Feichun, tutor of the Crown Prince, former bodyguard from the Royal Guards, now taking office in Xiangyang County. Here's my commission. Huh? Huh? What are you looking at? Go and find it now.
Murder! Murder!
Murder!
Murder! The heart is gone!
Murder!
Someone call the cops!
Gone.
The heart is gone! Murder! Murder! Murder!
The heart is gone.
Someone call the cops!
Look at this.
I don't know who.
Sit there.
The heart is gone.
Oh my God.
I really don't know that how she died. Who killed her? Really? Oh no.
Heart is
Call
gone.
the cops.
Who killed her?
Hey, don't go near the body.
Who can do this?
Hey!
God. How sad.
Close the gate now. Listen to me carefully. Another person got murdered. From this day on, no one is allowed to go through the gate.
Hey, wait. Let me in.
Who are you?
Liu Feichun, tutor of the Crown Prince, former bodyguard from the Royal Guards, taking office as Chief Constable here.
Show your commission.
My commission? It flew away.
You are gutsy, but it's a lie. Liu Feichun is the daughter of His Excellency Liu Xinzong, the former Chief Constable of Xiangyang. A big man pretends to be a woman. Shame on you. Arrest him now.
Hey! Just stop! I'm not lying! Why do you tighten the lockdown? This is wrong! You better find the murderer instead of swaggering around here! Let me go! Look! The commission!
Catch her. Stop her.
Get away! Get away!
Stop her.
Stop her! Hey, stop!
Where did she go? You check that side.
Where is she?
Come.
Back off, back off! Get out of the way! Dismiss, go away! Stop looking! Go, go! Get aside! Go!
Stop! Stop now!
Her heart is gone and the body is on the street. At your pace, the murderer can't be found inside the county.
Guards, arrest him!
Yes,
Oh
sir!
my gosh, wait! Look! Did you see? This is the golden medallion to protect Liu Feichun, tutor of the Crown Prince, bestowed by His Majesty. And I am that teacher, Liu Feichun. It means this medallion is for my protection.
If you
Understood?
pass off as an imperial officer, be ready for punishment. Catch him!
Oh no! What's your problem?
Catch him!
What she said just now is true. Please read it carefully. Come on.
Stop moving.
As you say.
Tutor of the Crown Prince, Chief Constable from the Royal Guards, Liu Feichun. I'm Zhan Yudao. How are you doing, Your Excellency?
Oh, it's not your fault. She's the one to be blamed. As a woman, she has no signs of a woman.
Liu was once the chief of Xiagyang country. It seems like yesterday. He had been the mainstay of our state, leading the army and destroying Western Xia, and made great contributions to our country. Unfortunately, he was persecuted by villains, only leaving the book of exceptional cases for me to recall the memories of him.
It's upside down, Your Excellency.
Now, his beloved daughter came to work here to continue his causes. Lucky Xiangyang country.
It's getting very late. Where is Her Excellency? Mr. Zhang, you want to go back and take a break?
No. Here. Okay, so are you Liu Feishan?
Yes, I am. Mr. Zhang, this is my official document.
You have grown up. In the old days, your father and
We
I
don't have
used
time for that. We have a new murder case right now. Please give me orders and send a team to me. I'll find the murderer for you.
Okay. Your Excellency, your official costume and domicile are ready for you at the backyard of our county government. Please check and have a rest.
Sir, she seems ungrateful.
Shut up.
Sir,
Start the trial.
sir.
The dead He Jingyang was the eldest daughter of He Liang, head of Kongtong, and she came here 4 years ago. As per Dr. Ling's autopsy report, her heart was cut off neatly. Her heart is gone in a strange fashion. As per these clues, I think the murderer took her heart
Miss
away.
Liu, what's your opinion?
Your Excellency, in my opinion, go ahead.
Her death is almost identical with that of Dr. Tan Ziyun, who died a couple of days ago.
Tan Ziyun? You're talking about the famous doctor in the martial arts world, Tan Ziyun.
Yes, him.
That's incredible.
Yes, the same. Tan Ziyun came here a year ago, opening the Tan's clinic by the moat.
Yay! Congratulations, doctor! Congratulations!
And then,
Dr. Tan? Dr. Tan is dead! Help!
Sir, Your Majesty, we have found Chen Shuling.
Who is Chen Shulin?
the husband of the victim, young lord of the Huashan in the south.
Oh, you are here.
Grumpy, likes drinking alcohol, and beats his wife when he gets drunk.
Then he doesn't belong to the martial arts world. He should stay with the beasts. Where is he?
Now he is...
Speak up.
He is now at Sujin Garden.
Lower your voice!
Go!
I got you. I've got you now. I know you're here, right? Oh. Leave me.
Get up.
Let me go.
Stand straight.
Who are you people?
Don't move.
Do you know who I am? How dare you hit me? I'm the young lord of Huashan.
You deserve this.
Liu likes to arrest suspects like you.
Leave me.
Let's go. Don't move. Come on.
What are you doing here? Could you please stop following me?
Don't flatter yourself. I'm here to find my friend.
I don't care about that. Just do not get in my way. Let me go.
What's wrong with him? Need you to arrest him in person?
Murder.
What murder?
You came to the scene yesterday, didn't you?
Ah, right. You got the wrong man. And could you be nice to me? Anyhow, I'm a scholar who passed the country level examination. So can you just try me a bit?
Shut up. I'm busy. Goodbye.
Get inside. Keep quiet.
Tie him up.
Don't move.
Open your mouth.
Why have you guys arrested me?
Truth. Tell me the truth. Did you kill your wife? Huh?
I'm not the one you're looking for. Trust me, I'm not lying.
Then why are you crying, huh?
He's right. Speak up.
Sir, my wife is dead. I'm totally grieved now.
You are a liar.
There you go. The Jingling has been dead for 2 days, while you were seeking pleasure in the brothel. You're a big liar.
Your Excellency, Che Shulin is not the murderer.
Speak up.
What do you mean?
Chen Shulin is not the murderer.
Why do you say that?
Let me go.
That's because that day
Something.
Come on, open your mouth.
I was there.
Huh? Tell us
You were also at the garden?
Yeah.
You should have told us earlier.
the way to escape.
Look for trouble like that, scholar. I've got no balls.
If that is the scene, then we should discuss the case again.
No. Come back. There is no need to discuss. Because for me, you are the boss here.
Mr. Zan,
Yes.
if you ever try to ignore your duty, then no pay for 3 months.
What happened?
What happened?
Sir, what did she say?
She said you will have to pay for 3 months.
She's a
How can she?
crazy woman.
Please let me go. I'm not the murderer.
Zip your mouth.
Just let me go. I need to go back to bury my wife if I get stuck here. Who will
Sir,
do
what
that
should
for
we do
me?
now?
Please.
Tell us.
Miss Liu is the boss here. Do what she says. Let go of him.
But for us, you're our boss.
Are you trying to kill me?
It's you?
Huh?
What are you doing here?
I was just passing by. I would choose another route if I knew you were here. So, how come you're here?
The Royal Palace is a dangerous place, unlike this safe and small county. Plus such delicious food. My father once lived here, so I asked for a transfer from His Majesty.
My friend Tanzuing's clinic would be open for business. I came here to congratulate him, but got stuck en route. When I came here, Tanzuing was already killed. I'm looking for the murderer. But the government didn't allow me to do an autopsy.
I know. You came here for the beautiful chicks, didn't you?
Well, thanks for reminding me. Now I really think the girls in Xiangyang are pretty good. Especially the ones in Shuxiang Garden. All of them are gorgeous.
Shuxiang Garden. Right. That day in the garden, why did you say that I got the wrong person?
Ah, you mean that young lord of Washan? He had been there for 3 days and nights. How could he find the time to kill his wife?
How did you know his identity? And the dead is his wife.
Everything can be known. Right from Shuxiang Garden. Faster than your office.
Then tell me, if not Chen Shulin, then who is the murderer? And tell me one thing. Why would the murderer steal the heart of the victim? For what reason? Tell me.
100 Tales.
Greedy. Save it. I can find the truth myself.
Good. Take your time.
Miss Liu, I heard about your father.
Why do you mention him?
He was a dedicated officer, well respected by his people.
Mr. Zhang, what are you trying to tell me, huh?
For God's sake, please clean your mouth.
Even the government can't find the murderer.
Yes, you're right.
The murderer is truly cruel. So brutal.
He's a merciless
serial
person.
killer. He's very cruel, merciless. What to do? Oh, I have to go home to tell my father.
Who is beating the drum?
Trial started!
Be quiet!
Who is beating the drum?
Greetings to you, Your Honor.
Get on your knees.
There's no need to kneel for the scholar, Your Honor.
Who are you, by the way? Identify yourself.
I am Long Chongju, a very knowledgeable doctor. I've seen the reward post from your court today, so I'm here at your service to crack down the case.
Oh. You know who is the murderer?
The murderer can be found in this book, Your Honor.
How dare you? Are you kidding me? Are you saying that the book will identify the murderer? Tell me.
Take it easy, Your Honor. Let me finish. I believe that all of you are familiar with the book. Am I right?
Of course, yes. The book was written by Chief Constable Mr. Liu about his experiences of cracking down cases. It is indeed legendary in our country.
Chapter 3 of this book, The Heart of the Stealer, records the notorious serial murder case in Xiangyang 10 years ago. 5 people were killed, with all of their hearts stolen by the murderer. They suffered a lot. The first case happened at the outskirts of Pomegranate Village, namely today Chang's Clinic. And the second case, entrance to the Dragon King Alley 10 years ago, today's Golden Willow Alley. Same location for the 2 cases that happened 10 years ago and now. Your Honor, can it be a coincidence?
Huh? What?
So Tan Ziyun and He Jingniang were both killed by that heart stealer then? Impossible.
What are you saying? That heart stealer died 10 years ago. My father arrested him. My father said he killed himself on the night before he was beheaded. And he left a suicide note on the wall with his own blood that said he was in charge of his own life or something like that. I think he was a psychopath, you know.
Exactly. That case was a hit. Everyone knows it. So you stop talking nonsense. Speak something about this case which makes sense.
But I didn't say that the murderer is the same heart stealer that was 10 years ago.
Then tell us who the true murderer is.
I will take only 250 taels for the first half.
What? What did you say?
500 taels as per the post, right? So 250 deposit and 250 after I solve the case. If you want to know the second half, then 250 for the deposit.
What nonsense are you talking? You are not at the food market.
If there is no reward, then I shall see you guys.
You? What?
Okay, that's enough. Trial adjourned.
Wait, Your Honor. I've met that man. He looks weird, but he's not that kind of a person joking about lies. About the case of the heart stealer, what he said makes sense. Please let me go and talk to him.
You got me, lady. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. Hey, stop! I said wait. I know you're out of money, but you can't be this mean. You should finish your words.
I came here with sincerity, but you didn't buy it.
It's not true. I'll buy it. Just listen to my analysis first. I know that the heart stealer is dead, obviously. So the one who is the murderer who killed Dan can't be the heart stealer 10 years ago. So it is possible that a new heart stealer has appeared.
Finally, someone got my point. Not like those fools over there who couldn't understand.
How dare you! Are we fools?
He must be the son of the heart stealer. The heart stealer junior. Am I right? Tell me.
You have lost your brain.
Hey! I'll pay you $250. Come here.
So paid then.
First, you come back with me and finish your words.
That's my buddy. As a friend, you'll get a discount. $4.99.
Myself?
One tail for dinner.
Who will treat you?
You.
Okay, good. Now talk.
Where is His Honor? I need him to be here.
He's resting. Talk to me, it's the same.
You pay me then. Seven to 9 a.m. on May the 3rd. Now please go ahead.
What nonsense is this? You mean the murderer kills based on this book? If the book records more and more murder cases, all the people in the county will be killed.
Yes, you got it, Mr. Zan. The time of the next murder may be on 18th of this month, at night down street. I hope you make a note of
You
that.
think we constables are stupid people, don't you? Long Chong Ju, are you trying to say we are incapable by talking nonsense?
Mr. Zan, I didn't mean that. If you trust me, then just get ready for it. But if you don't trust me, then do whatever you want to do. I'm sure you will not feel good about being incapable. What? You want to beat me? Come on, beat me. But you can't defeat me.
Hey,
Hey, what are you doing?
Mr. Zhang. Catching the murderer is our top priority right now. I don't care whether you trust him or not. For the benefit of all the people here, we should be cautious in advance. Do you get it? I'll be responsible if something happens.
You are the boss.
You know you are late. Where are Zan and the others?
They didn't show up.
Okay, then we don't need them. Fools.
My sweet potato.
Tonight, we will reconstruct the crime as the book says. I got the information that this street was renovated 5 years ago. It has changed a little. First it was north-south and now it's south-west. With 2 more side roads. And the second case happened between 9 and 11 p.m.
So this is the night dawn street?
Between 9 and 11 p.m. the 18th of this month, at the entrance of the night dawn street.
Are you sure the murderer will come here?
I can't tell the exact location, but I'm sure he'll be here. Mark my words.
Hey, wait a second.
I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.
Wait.
Is he dead?
No. Go and get some help. Go. What are you waiting for? Go quickly.
Open the door! Open the door! Something's wrong! Again a murder! Open! Murder happened again.
Where did this happen? Where?
Just near Night Down Street. Come.
Let's move. Hurry up, fast! Hurry up. Go and get Dr. Ling.
Okay, sir. One who knows the job. Please make sure that you help him. And don't forget to give it back.
He just left like that.
Why should he stay back?
But
Watch them for me, or I won't help you with the case. Solve the case and save people? Only for 500 taels? I'm losing my money. 500 is not enough.
Okay, fine, as you say.
Mr. Long. Mr. Long.
Who is it?
I'm Zhang Yudao.
Yes, tell me.
Mr. Long.
Okay, tell me.
Well,
Hey!
why are you here?
To wash my clothes.
Come to the point.
Your Excellency, the victim is Chen Shulin, the husband of He Jingyang. He's badly hurt, but somehow he survived.
You are welcome.
Mr. Long, I didn't mean to offend you. Please forgive me.
But where is Chen Shulin now?
He's at Ling's clinic, and don't worry, he's safe with Dr. Ling.
So tell me something about him.
Miss Liu?
Keep talking.
Would that be right to tell you? Dr. Ling is the best doctor in Xiangyang. Exquisite skills, but low fees. He's not only a doctor, but also a coroner. So we always ask for his help. Yeah.
Huh?
If anyone dies here, he will do the autopsy.
He's very good, huh?
Yes, you are right. He served as the coroner for the cases of He Jingyang and Tan Ziyun. Yeah.
Take me to him.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, just a minute.
Okay, please wait here. I'll go and get Dr. Ling. Dr. Ling?
Do you want to have a long beard? This is a spring fruit. It makes your Adam's apple swell and you'll get beard. That's the truth.
Dr. Ling, Miss Liu wants to talk to you.
You must be Chief Constable, Miss Liu, Your Excellency. I'm Dr. Ling.
Dr. Ling. This is Mr. Long.
You're a young hero. You've got excellent medical skills, Mr. Long. Your way of cutting for bloodletting was delicate. I admire you for that. I have high regards for you, Mr. Long.
Well, I didn't have perfect tools, or the incision would be better. By the way, your way of cutting is also not bad.
Thank you so much. To be honest, these are heirloom of the veterinarians in our family for 3 generations.
What? Veterinarians?
Hold on. Miss Liu, this is from Shenshulen. I think that you should check these. Please have a look.
Let me see it. Okay. It is for the Vice General's military token. It should be carried by its owner. How did Chen get it? Can you tell me that?
So, you're not supposed to hold it either. Mr. Zhang!
Yes.
Come here! Find everything about it.
Military token?
Dr. Ling, there is something here. Can you please give your advice about this one?
What is it, Mr. Long?
A coroner's report, and I think there is something wrong with it. I hope you can help me with this one. You will, right?
It's my honor. Let me check. It is the report for Tan Zuen, isn't it, Mr. Long? I was the one who had produced this report.
Only one copy. Where did you get it?
I've got another one. Have a look.
It tells the autopsy results of He Jingyang. This report is also produced by me.
What's going on?
The first one is not of Tanziyun. I tore it off from exceptional cases. The same goes for the second one as well. I also have the third report. You'd like to produce one for Chen now? Let's see if they are identical. What do you have to say? No need. There must be. Did you get what I said? The murderer has killed the victims. Exceptional cases.
With so many guards here, are you sure the murderer will
Trust
come?
me, he will.
But why?
Because he's a loyal follower. Even small details are identical with this book. Now it's not the dead time of Chen. He will come to kill him soon.
I won't let this happen.
Did you say something?
Someone is here! Quick!
Yes, sir.
He went that side. Chase him.
It was all my fault.
Okay. It's just a bruise. You'll be fine.
How could something so terrible happen during burning one stick of incense? I just brought him back to life.
Don't feel guilty. What? Did you hurt your arm?
Old problems.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, now, come on. Let's go. Come on, good night. Be quick. Come on.
This belongs to Shin Pinglang, obviously. He hates it. And he also hates Chen Shulin guts.
There is no doubt he's from the military.
Did he visit Chen Shulin often?
Not just visit. It is said that he killed Chen Shulin. I'm not surprised. It's not a big deal for him. Everyone knows that. He was the old lover after all.
Old lover?
Yes. Of He Jinyang.
He Jinyang?
I've heard the story, but I didn't keep it in mind. My man told me He Jingyang and Shen Pinglang were childhood
Shin
sweethearts.
Pinglang's parents died when he was young. The head of Kong Tong is very notorious for being snobbish. And Shin's family was declining. So he broke them up. Pity for the poor couple. They loved each other but couldn't be together.
Then He Jinyang married Chen Shulin.
Had no choice.
Then she joined the army. He returned to the Xiangyang and worked with the government. It happened that he met He Jinyang that he hadn't seen for years in Xiangyang.
Get out! Listen, I'll divorce you sooner or later. Stop crying! Stop! Stop crying!
What are you doing?
Get lost!
Stay away from her.
Who the hell are you? How dare you hit me? You've got guts to hit the young lord makeup shop?
Stop! Stop!
I'll leave you.
Leave him alone! Just leave!
If I were him, I would do the same. I would not leave him.
Have you finished all the questions? I just want to leave now.
It seems Shen Pinglang is important to the cases of the dead couple.
You want one?
No thanks. Well, we've got the news. Shen Pinglang is from the military.
Come on, let's go. Let's go and arrest him.
Miss Liu, you can't just walk into the military camp.
Then what to do?
The procedure for bringing him to the trial is complicated. Plus, we don't get along well with the military. Even if His Honor approves, the military may not allow us.
What to do now?
Why are you asking me? I don't know. Remember to cover your face, or I'll have to rescue you if you get caught.
Who are you?
I brought our suspect. Make him talk. Check the murder weapon.
What? Shen Ping Lang?
Get in. Murder weapon. Huh? Did you kill them? Tell the truth. Huh? Did you kill them?
The first two are none of my business. But I really hope I killed the third one.
You are the murderer. You are the murderer. Now You'll go to hell. Sir, what to do now?
He's not telling the truth?
Not at all. We can't torture him more. The military men are tough to deal with. We can't handle this. Sir, should we knock him out? We can kill him. Nobody will come to know about it. It will be secret. What do you say?
Long Chong-Jiu? Where are you?
You smell like rotten garlic. What happened?
Get ready. We don't have time. Come with me to interrogate the prisoner. I'll wait outside, okay? Come soon.
What? Hey, wait! What are you doing?
What's wrong with you? Why are you trembling?
You are so reckless. You put him into prison and beat him like this. You want me to interrogate him? What if he take revenge on me?
Shut up. Did he say anything?
10 tails for keeping my mouth shut.
And how do you know that?
No. Yes. Yes. He's not the murderer. The murderer acted alone. His drinking problem causes blurred vision, but the murderer hits the target precisely. So he's not the murderer.
It can't prove anything. It's your personal view. As a man of martial arts, I can do it too.
I told you everything. You don't let me talk. You don't trust me. What do I do? You too?
As I understand, it only tells that he may not be the murderer.
Your Majesty.
Hey, I'm here, dumb.
This is the check report of this weapon.
Huh? It reads that there are no signs of blood on his blade, which never got sharpened.
See, I told you in the beginning.
It can't prove that he didn't use other weapons to commit the crime.
It's impossible. There are strict requirements on the use of military weapons.
What do you suggest?
Just ask the owner of the weapon.
But he just won't talk.
I can do nothing about it. I'm not him.
Get aside, get out of my way. You two, watch at the door.
What's he doing? Is he crazy?
No idea.
He's Mr. Shin, right? The military wants him back. What have you done?
Got to make the prisoner talk.
I'm not on duty tonight, Mr. Zhang.
Wait, don't go. Wait.
Let him go. Let him go.
Yes, let him go now.
Let him go.
Release him.
Release him.
Listen to us.
Wait! What is the matter?
Our man must be here.
Yes. He is over here, so what?
Then cut the crap and let him go.
Shen Pinglang is the suspect of murder cases. It is our duty to arrest him and question him as per the law. If he is not guilty, he'll return to the military camp safe and sound, I promise to you. But as long as he's a suspect, I'm sorry. He can't go anywhere.
Oh, I see. You've got guts. Today I'll show you which is stronger. Your roof is stronger or our blade is stronger. Come on, everyone, let's show them.
Sir. Everyone, calm down. Even I should treat her with deference. She's the only daughter of Mr. Louis Shizong and even has the gold medallion from His Majesty. Please treat her nicely.
You mean this one? Am I right? You know that your father was a hero. While you chose to do things differently, I'll report to the military commissioner. And I assure you that we will find the justice back.
He was junior to my father. You can go ahead. I'll wait for you here. Go now. It's getting late. Close the door!
All of you, please calm down. Don't be angry. Miss Liu, we offended them. Tell me, what should we do? Let him go or not? Huh?
Don't worry.
Everyone listen to me. No one is allowed to go through this door.
Yes, sir.
Your Majesty, the military has encircled the office.
Say it louder.
The military has encircled the office.
Speak louder.
The military has encircled the office.
Lower your voice. Get out. Did you hear that? They are fighting each other because of you. But please be rest assured. It's safe here. Why don't you confess? I won't make it hard for you. So please do not get my goat. Huh? We all are men over here. We should not embarrass each other, right? If it was not for 500 taels, I wouldn't get stuck here with you, and you wouldn't get stuck here either. Admit it. We are done. I know you're not the murderer. You have a bad vision due to your drinking problem.
And how do you know that?
Because I'm a doctor.
How could he still not confess?
Liu Faichun, just let him go. I'm begging of you. You want to see me hanged here or what?
Yeah. Okay.
Listen, everybody. Arrest them. Arrest all of them. Don't let them
Just
go.
wait and watch.
Easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Shen Pinglang is not the murderer.
Please do me a favor.
Tell me.
I wanted to marry Yi Jingyang only. But now she's gone. I had Shin Shuilin before. But when I got back to the military, my pass was lost. I never thought he took it away.
Shen Pinglang, a love-struck man. I'm surprised.
But it proves nothing, you know. Maybe it's just a coincidence.
Coincidence? If I tell you Shen and Tan are inextricably linked, will you still think it's a coincidence? As far as I know, Tan followed a prestigious general 10 years ago. In the meantime, Shen was following that general too. And after that, they worked together for many years. They are definitely old acquaintances. I mean, colleagues.
Mr. Zheng! Mr. Zheng! Mr. Zheng, I went to the state government. His Excellency was furious. All county level governments are talking about the heart stealer now. Everyone panics here. The whole world will know it in 2 days. His Excellency also told me the same.
Tell me, what did he say?
If the murderer can't be arrested in 10 days, I'll be fired. Go and find him. Hurry up, please do something. Save me.
Your Honor?
Huh?
Where is your pet? Don't stare at me. Stop looking like that. I'm not interested in spreading rumors.
Oh, we have to work like a dog.
Yes, you're correct.
We are human beings, not dogs.
Come out, quickly. Come out.
Oh, come on. Everyone, come out.
It has been just a few days. And the news of the heart stealer is known to the whole county. Who let it out, huh? Tell me. And now, the murderer got what he wants. He wanted that to happen. Was it you?
Miss Liu, 1 minute. Miss Liu, you should trust us.
Who asked you? I'm questioning them.
Then go ahead.
Miss Liu, how do you think that we let the news out? You don't trust us?
You're right. Then tell me, who else could let it out, huh?
Our friend Long Chongju is quite suspicious. He has been holding that book and talking nonsense here. Why don't you just go and question him? I think you will find your answer.
He's right. That mad stupid doctor Long Chongju says anything. He loves only money. He may make a deal with a storytelling club. 10 tales per story. He can do that for sure.
Okay, enough is enough. Keep quiet.
Men's lives are involved. We cannot make fun over here. It's a serious matter. You got it?
Yeah.
Are you going? You're dismissed, buddies.
Let's go.
Hey, listen.
Come on.
Let's go for a drink with that brother.
Great. Good idea.
So, guys, just be very honest. Just tell me, do I spill the beans when I'm really drunk?
No.
I think yes. No.
No,
Yes.
no,
no,
we
of course.
don't
Yes.
tell.
Just the mention of Sheng Penglang's name is enough to make me angry.
He's an idiot.
stupid.
He's a culprit. I don't like his face either, huh?
Act on impulse for a woman. Huh? Forget about the job and let's eat and drink.
Yes, you are correct.
Okay.
Cheers.
Come on. Okay. Cheers.
Your Majesty, we were clearly sober. We just felt unfair for you.
Oh.
Huh?
Sir, Your Majesty, we might have split the beans. That day I was drunk. We all were clearly sober that day. Yes, I'm telling the truth. And we all felt very unfair for you that day. Just because we respect you. Am I right? You speak
Yes,
up, huh?
you are
I think
correct.
you should have been the chief constable, yes. I will tell you what happened that day. Li Fingshu showed up that day. But she can't crack down the case.
Exactly. We will have to bear the blame. But you can be rest assured, sir. We won't let anyone ride roughshod over you. Am I right, guys?
Yes, that's very true.
You are wrong.
I don't think so.
You are wrong.
No, I don't think so that way.
You are wrong.
I'm telling you
All
the
of
truth.
you, shut
He's
up.
not...
I think Liu Feichun is right.
Huh? But we have agreed that we would spy on Xingping Lang.
We can't joke about the men's lives.
So here is the Goddess of Mercy temple 10 years ago.
I'll be really surprised if the fourth murder case fails to come day after tomorrow.
No surprises for sure.
Temple. It was dismantled long ago. Now the street has been built here due to some issues. It was named Goddess of Mercy Alley after the temple. Now that the temple was gone, will the murderer come here?
Of course.
The three cases have created great social buzz. And he knows that. Will he take the risk for the fourth one?
He will. He wants that buzz. If it is impossible to be famous, then get notorious to be known.
Hey, listen. Will he be a little worried that we may attack him?
He's quite smart. He may know you will ambush him. Hence he'll figure out the perfect way to escape.
Oh, I see. I'll send more men here. He won't escape this time.
Sir, all of us will go there.
Yes.
We have already agreed that we will spy on Xingping Lang.
He is surely important, but if we don't go, we will be blamed.
What if he runs away unnoticed?
Do you think you are the boss here?
No, you are.
Now listen, get changed and put on plain clothes. The Goddess of Mercy Alley is busy with the people. Do not make yourself stand out.
Yes, sir.
Go now. Zhang Yu,
Yes, sir.
keep watch on Long Chongju. He's very suspicious.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Zhang, I'll take 3 to the end of that street. You and rest may stay here.
Be careful.
Okay. Move. Come on.
Zhao Se. Zhao Se.
Sir, he's not here.
Where is he?
I have no idea, sir.
Forget about him. You go watch Long.
Okay.
Hey, sir.
What? Creepy? Where were you?
The answer to the nature's call.
Too many calls.
Sir, I think Shin is gone.
What? Why did he go? And how? And how do you know that?
The undercover said that Shin is nowhere to be found.
Tell everyone to withdraw.
From where?
Military camp. You stay here.
Oh, okay. And what about them?
Leave them alone.
You are following me all the way and eating so many candies. Are you aware that you might fall sick?
I love eating candies.
Go and tell them. No need to watch me. You're wasting your time. Now go. What? You want me to give you more candies? Now go.
Okay, I'm going.
Wait.
Huh?
Lead your men to carry your bro back.
My bro? Eh?
Honk!
I love eating.
Something's wrong.
What's wrong, Miss Liu? What happened?
Can't you see only 4 of us are here? Where are the others? Huh?
Where are they?
Your Excellency, there's a bad news.
Tell me.
Mr. Jan and his men trespassed the military camp, and now they are detained and not let go.
What are you saying? Is that true? Are you sure?
General, Liu Fuchun is here.
Miss Liu.
General Liu, Your Highness.
Okay, now, everyone is here. So you guys tell me, what do you want? Speak up.
What's going on?
Zhao Si told me that Xingping Lang is gone. So I was tracking him. all the way till here.
Where's Zausi?
I told him to inform our men, but he just disappeared.
Disappeared?
Yes.
Oh. We are trapped. General, we fell into a trap.
Nonsense! What trap? Whose trap? Without the permission of the magistrate and me, you entered the military camp to kidnap my man, trying to bring him to trial without authorization. You know what you've done?
Sorry, General.
Stop it! General, they boxed the ears of Xinjiang army by hijacking our man again and again. Sorry is not enough to save your own men. You got it? General, our soldiers won't be convinced, General.
Oh, come on, then you tell me what to do to release them.
Kneel down and apologize.
What?
Kneel down and apologize.
Miss Liu!
Please forgive us.
Since you apologized, just let him go.
What? Who are you talking about?
Who else? Shen Pinglang, of course. He hasn't been here for the whole day, and you're the one who had captured him.
Hey, what happened? What happened to him?
What happened? What happened?
Sir, we found Zausi doped on the street.
What's going on?
I don't know, sir. I suddenly passed out. When I was on the street, I met them when I woke up. Rest, I don't know anything.
Then who's the man who talked to me? A disguise?
We have no idea, Shurari.
Oh no. Since we all are here, who's at the Goddess of Mercy alley?
Come on, hurry up!
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fei Chun,
Yes,
why are you here?
I was waiting for you.
For me?
You told me to wait for you.
Come here.
Come here. Huh? What happened? What's wrong with you?
Catch him! Do not move! Freeze! Long Chong-ju. So it's you. Take him! Mr. Zhang. Mr. Zhang.
Tell me what's up.
Your Honor. Your Honor, the victim is the suspect of our cases. He's Shen Ping Lang. When I arrived there, his heart had been gone.
Good. I see. Now you may leave.
Chongju. Hey.
In a few days, you may receive the heart and the red paint. I think the heart stealer will threaten the government then. This is what is written in the book. He will copy that. It's in the 4th chapter.
You're still in the prison. You should worry about yourself.
It's no big deal to stay here. I could have stopped it. But I was really scared. I thought I would die. I've met so many criminals, but I've never seen such a merciless murderer. I know martial arts, but I was scared. You must think I'm ridiculous for being scared, but trust me, I was. I didn't know what to do.
If I were you, then I would hunt him down.
Yes, you definitely would. You are the bravest one I have seen.
Because I'm a constable and you're not. And that's the truth.
I saw you there. There must be some special poison in that secret weapon that makes you lose your head and create illusions.
Come here.
You just can't resist it.
Listen to me. All of you, go and check each and every door of the office. If anyone sends parcel or something, arrest him right away. Go quickly.
Wait. Where are you going?
I'll protect you.
Your Honor, Long Chong-ju told me the heart stealer will threaten the government as his next step. He will send the victim's heart in red paint.
Oh, Miss Liu, enough. Please go.
Miss Liu, Long Chong-ju is a lunatic.
Yes, Long Chung-jung is very vicious, really. He's a copycat murderer, heart stealer, and he's playing with all of us.
Oh, really? Then answer me. He was not in Xinjiang when the first case happened. How is that possible?
Enough. That's enough for now. Long Chong-ju is the murderer upon valid evidences. Now I'll give my order.
Report! Your Majesty, we found the parcel at the gate here.
Do you know what it is?
No. Do you want me to open and check it?
Advisor, come and open it.
It is Shen's heart.
Sir, I have done nothing, sir.
Move.
Sir, please let me go, sir.
Come on.
Sir, I've done nothing, sir.
Open the door.
Okay.
Listen carefully. His Honor has said that you're allowed to help with the case, okay?
500 taels. He sent the parcel here.
Come on, speak up.
I don't know anything about it. I have just delivered the parcel.
Have you seen him before?
No.
I have never seen him.
Good. Turn around. I'll draw whatever you describe.
Give me some time.
No need. Look, is this the man you saw?
Yes.
That's impossible. He died in front of my
Long
father.
At that time,
This
had
is
the
what
murder
I
weapon
just
in his
drew.
hand.
It's him.
Long Ju, at that time, had the murder weapon in his hand.
Where are you going?
To see Mr. Zhang. So, this is the murderer.
What?
The original heart stealer.
Is he still alive or what? How can really this... your umbrella!
Mr. Zhang!
What do you want? What do you want?
Wait.
Let me go. What?
Look, I made the portrait of the murderer. Does he look like the murderer years ago?
No, not at all.
Then, Mr. Zhang, look at this one.
No, not this one.
Watch it carefully. Take your time and just have a look.
It is totally different.
Just look at them carefully.
No,
I
not,
tore it
not
off
similar
from the
at all.
book. See it properly.
Huh? Oh, I am a dotard now with bad vision. Now it looks familiar if you look carefully.
Your Honor, why did you change your answer?
Oh, I don't know.
It's him. It's him. It cannot be. How is it possible?
What happened? Hey, where are you going? What on earth are you doing?
Have you taken all of them?
Yes, all of them.
Burn them!
Burn them.
Just burn them!
Oh, okay, all right. Go and burn them.
Listen, no one is allowed to read the book. If I find anyone reading it, I'll hang him up and beat him for 3 days and nights. Listen to me. There's no heart stealer. It's all fake! It's fake! My father is a liar!
Pechun, you shouldn't say that in front of all the people.
The case is now closed. My father is the murderer.
Stop. Did you lose your mind? Huh? The case is closed like this? No more digging?
Yes. The case of the heart stealer is cracked. There's no heart stealer. My father is the murderer.
You are just making a scene here. You are not doing your job well. It's for human lives.
If you want to dig, go ahead. $500 are all yours. Zen Yadao will give you the money.
Open the door. Open the door. I haven't finished. Listen to me. Come on, open the door. Listen, you've got no conscience, no sense of duty. You're stupid to give up the money. Now, come on, open the door. You scared me. Why are you here?
Hey, what's wrong? Are you quarreling?
With her? Wasting my time.
Is Miss Liu still in charge? I'll be in charge if she refuses.
Actually, she's sad.
She's sad, but how? Why?
You're
why
worried
she's-
about her? I'm also sad. Just give her delicious food, she'll be fine.
Mr. Long, the fifth victim died at home in that book.
You still keep that book?
Yes.
You're right. The fifth victim lived on King Fu Street and died on July 19th. That is tomorrow.
Ching Fu Street was dismantled.
Huh? Now what's there?
Intense Happiness Inn, where you're staying.
Mr. Zan!
Don't be afraid at all. Mr. Long, I'll protect you.
I'm not afraid at all. I don't need your protection.
Mr. Long, what are you doing?
I'm just checking if there are any weapons hidden here.
Mr. Long, why don't we just evacuate all the guests in the inn and ambush here? I think then we should wait for him to come here. If he has guts, he will definitely come.
Making such a big noise will only alert the murderer. We are in sunlight instead of shadows. We have to be on the defensive. Because we don't know what he'll do next.
You're right.
We just have to think.
I'll let my men take cover and wait here. He'll be like a rat in a hole. We will keep everything normal and wait here.
You and Zhao Si stay here. Let the others do their job and go on patrol. Just make it look normal. And very soon, we'll be able to catch him.
Okay, let the murderer walk into the trap that we have set.
There's no heart stealer. All right.
She intends to be the bait. To catch the murderer, Fei Chun is in danger. Oh no. I have to save her.
You are here. As I expected. I've been waiting for you.
It's me.
You're here at last. I know it's you. Great.
You're really a very smart girl. And you have been able to find the flaws in me.
Flaws? If a man is in a coma, it's impossible for him to know the time. I'm not that smart, but you're stupid. You've exposed yourself.
But unfortunately, girl, let me tell you that you are stupid anyways. To be the bait yourself and to bring me out of these shadows. These are the heirloom of the veterinarians in a family for 3 generations. Because that would be boring. You know, I would prefer to tell the truth to the one who is about to die. Good, stay still. My real name is Yu Zhu, a former doctor at the Yanju military camp. I used to test drugs on the captives, but they all ended up being infected with the epidemic. So I burned all of them alive. Do you know how many lives did I burn? There were 1,081 lives in total. Girl, are you scared by the number? And are you scared that I'm a military doctor?
But why?
In fact, I'd like to tell you that Dan, Shen and Lear all are soldiers at Yangzhou military camp.
Why are you here, doctor? You should go somewhere. Go! The fire is out of control. Go! Go!
Fire! Get water! Somebody get water! Get water over here! Somebody water! Come on! Get rid of fire! Fire! Get fire! Somebody get some water! Please extinguish this fire! Back off! Get water fast! Come on! Pour some more water! Why are you here, doctor?
Quick! Use blankets. You Zhu set the fire.
Since then, for 10 years, I had to be invisible in order not to be captured by the military people. And I even went to the West to learn the disguise trick. Then I came to Xinjiang to spend the rest of my life. But the God just doesn't let me go.
Yes.
He just doesn't make it easy for me.
Shen,
Long time no see. I hope everything is fine.
I really hope to see you again since we parted.
It's good to see you.
Please come in.
I'm Dr. Ling from Ling's clinic. I'm your neighbor. I've heard that you're a very dedicated doctor with brilliant medical skills. Dr. Tan? Dr. Tan?
Oh, it's great to meet you.
Did we know each other?
Shen, this is Dr. Ling. Dr. Ling, this is my best friend, Shen Pinglan. And he is serving as the Vice General in the army.
Maybe you bought some medicine from my clinic before, and that's how you know me?
Brother Mistake, we mistake you for someone else. Shen just like me. You must have mistaken Dr. Ling for one of our old friends.
Good to meet you. Please, be my guest. Come.
Please come.
So you were afraid that Shen and Tan might recognize you. So you made a move first. And the reason was that you wanted to get rid of the trouble.
You're absolutely right.
Unexpectedly, I'm the last victim in my father's book. You've got no way out. Go ahead.
Dr. Ling! I'm really impressed.
You must be curious about my tailor-made weapon. It has some poison hidden inside, which is colorless and odorless. And when it is exposed in air, it blazes, and anyone poisoned will lose his mind and he will be manipulated by me and have illusions which are not real.
And see the illusions that are not supposed to be seen. I prefer to say being manipulated by the monster in your own mind instead of you.
I can see that you have worked very hard and you know way too much.
You can't kill both of us at the same time. You can kill only one of us. But I will definitely kill you!
Dr. Ling, it's you, you big liar. Take him.
Get up!
Don't worry.
Kneel down.
Your Honor, these are the murder weapons. These are developed by Dr. Ling with special colorless and odorless poison inside it. It can produce dazzling glare when exposed in air to blur your vision. You can lose your mind and start seeing illusions, which are just not true. Then the murderer can cut off the heart from the living body. The pass we found on Chen was stolen by you from Shen to frame Chen with the irrefutable proof. And Shen had no way to prove himself innocent, Your Honor.
Oh, I see.
And then you didn't hesitate to hurt yourself for murdering your target. You disguised yourself as Xiao Si to set the trap and create the false impression of a copycat. That would have been a perfect plan. Only with one flaw, Dr. Ling, and you lost the game.
You showed no mercy. You deserve to die. The murderer is found guilty of terrible crimes with valid evidence. Guards!
Sir!
We had him in public at Longman Street at 11 a.m.
Yes, sir. Get down on your knees. You must atone for your crimes of murdering 4 lives. Take him away.
Kill him! Kill him! Don't leave him! Kill him!
Your Honor, the case is closed. My 500 taels? Thank you.
You woke up Miss Liu,
Yes. Where's he?
beheaded at the South Gate 3 days ago. The dog-headed chopper beheaded him with one cut, blood splattering everywhere.
I mean, where's Chongju?
Chongju? Didn't he stay here for the whole night?
Long Chongju!
Chun, I took 499 out of 500 taels. 1 tael for you to treat me to dinner in the future. If destined, I hope we can meet each other again. Forget about it. Better not. 1 tael for you as a gift.